All right, what is up, YouTube? Right now it is 8:17 a.m., February 13th. We are waiting for 8:30 so that we can see these candlesticks, right? Yesterday we saw a pretty big dip in the market, right? Pretty insane. I caught some good shorts off of it. Uh Tap into the Discord if you want to see how I did this. All right, guys, so this is me editing the video right now. This was a really tough video to edit because I just saw my past week and a half of progress gone poof like that. You know what I mean? And this is just part of the journey. I got to learn to take losses like this. I feel like everyone has to learn to take losses like this. Everyone takes them differently, but I'm going to try to start up Monday again in the right headspace. But you can see in this video how I just did not follow my rules. I over leveraged. I wanted to make enough money today to pass the account. Sometimes it's not about passing the account, it's just about being consistent. If you stay consistent, you will pass your account eventually. You know what I mean? So, good learning, good learning video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Watch me lose my week and a half of progress. All right, so let's take a look at this here, right? We just got the 8:30 and the 8:45 candle. The 8:30 candles are pretty good. Looks like we really just stayed in the range. This is a 1 hour fair value gap, like all the way over here. I'm not even sure if it's still a thing, to be honest. I really don't know how none of that works. But today, we're going to be trying to. I want to see. Well, we're going to be doing the orb, right? What I normally do. And I just want to see if we're going to reject off of any of these levels right here that I marked out in the past. I marked out like way back there. This was one. This was one. But yeah, I just want to see if we're going to reject off of any of these levels. Let's wait to see when we get a breakout. It almost looks like we're about to get a breakout right here. But let's scale down to the 5 minute and let's just keep watching price do its thing, you know what I mean? All right, it's 9:30. This is the first candle. I just want to go over this. It looks like it's going down. We might see a breakout of orb, but the first breakout might be a fake out. Oh my god. A lot of volume coming in here. Already more than the last candle. And this one took 5 minutes, and this is not even a minute into this candle. All right. I think I don't know, man. I don't know. I kind of want to see it almost. Let's go to the 15 minute just to get the chart a little lower, right? We have a lot of this right here. Let's see what this looks like on the 5 minute chart, right? I just want to look for there's a fair value gap right here, and it seems to really. It's actually a fair value gap. Yeah, it seems to really not want to go any higher than this level, like right here. Doesn't really want to go any higher than 68.95. I don't know if I'd even be looking for longs. I don't know. Today's one of those weird days. We saw a huge dip in the market, and then now we're just here. Maybe the biggest liquidity sweep of mankind. We go back up. I don't know. Maybe I'm looking for longs today. We got to fill in some of this, right? That's what I'm thinking. We got to fill in some of it. yeah, I don't know. Let's just keep watching this. I'll keep the thing right here, and I'll fast forward to whenever we get a breakout. All right, here we go. It's getting towards the bottom again. We're gonna go like this. All right, we broke out. I think that this is an actual breakout, right? I think that this is a real actual breakout right here. I think that we will see sellers. Yeah, I wasn't gonna take this trade either way. To be really honest with everybody, there's no way I'm taking this breakout. The range is too short. I think it's too small of a range. It doesn't. My rule doesn't really apply to this right now. Let's see what happens if you would have took it, right? You looking for longs, so you'd probably take it and a few ticks below where it last was, and a 1 to 2. So it still wouldn't have paid off yet. We're gonna put this back over here. Yeah, I don't know still. I don't think I don't think it's a fake out. I think that this is a genuine candle, and if it closes outside of this range, I think we're 100% going down. Just with yesterday, I still think it's going to be a down day, but we could see some, you know what I mean? We could see some movement to the upside just as a little bit because yesterday was so red. Yeah, look at this. We literally would have gotten robbed on that trade. Um, I want to see a little bit of retracement right here. Holy, we're going down. That's good. That's good. All right, so now that we got a breakout, I want to see a little bit of retracement for a good entry, right? Let's go to the 1 minute. Three candles closed outside the range. That should have been our signal to buy in anyway. Well, to sell. I think we're going for big profits today. All right, guys. This could be the last day that I'm on this evaluation. All right, so we're seeing a little bit of retracement right here. It's coming back up. I want to see it like come up here. You know what I mean? Like I would definitely buy it if it came back up here. See, man, I don't know because we'd have to put the stop loss all the way up here, and the take profit would be so big. It would be so big. Look at that. Part of me wants to take this trade and just there's so much momentum, but I don't really mind losing this trade. This is one of those levels that has a lot of buyers that we're going to see some rejection off of. Maybe. Also this level and this level right here. We got a lot of levels to break through. Right? Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Maybe we're going to see a move up right here. A lot of volume coming back up. See, this is what I'm looking for right here. I want to see it come back up above here. If it comes above this wick, then I'll buy. I'll sell. Damn. With this stop loss above here. Right?
Order filled.
I filled it anyway. So we're going to do $1,000 stop for, we're looking just to make 1,500 right here, right? Damn, bro, we really caught the opposite of what we wanted. That's okay, though. You take losses. I should have waited for a retracement back anyway. It's my fault.
Order filled.
All right. I might enter in right here.
Order filled.
We're selling the market. Stop loss up here. Take profit. Has to be right there. Right. That is our goal. That is what we're going for. And we're in shorts, so we'll do this. And just make this more interesting. Go on the 1 minute chart to look at this. And if it does go down way past this, I'm going to go to break even just because I think we could see a little retracement and go straight up from here. I don't like how it keeps coming back, man. I'm not a big fan of that. It makes me feel like there's a lot of people wanting to go up. It's where the price is getting pushed. I think the price is getting pushed up. But we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna just stay in this trade.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out. This is a brutal day, alright? I might as well just blow the account today, am I right? This is a rookie mistake, man. It's a prop firm. If this was a express account, I would be doing this a lot different, but we're just gonna... Wow, man, we're so close to losing this account. I think we're just gonna go in 50 micros, 5 minis, and we're just looking for motion. You know what I mean? We are looking for a dip, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. This is what happens when you're on your last day of your account, you know. Remember, everyone, remember, you know, learn from my mistakes. I hope this video reaches someone and helps them, you know. I'll be back at it again next week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video cuz it hurt a lot to see my week and a half of progress gone in one day. But once again, it's my fault. I knew what I was doing. So I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Join the Discord. Remember, you know what I mean? You live, you learn. Go check out the Instagram and everything else. And adios.